Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. Man, this has been a super fun weekend to trade, and we're going to find out who did their homework over the weekend if you guys followed what I was talking about on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of last week. So let's jump right in, guys. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel, do consider subscribing. We're live trading on every one of these videos. We're over $11,000 now in the account, and I ended up taking a couple sell positions on ADA as well as Ethereum based off what I talked about Thursday and Friday. So we're going to go over that. We are also going to be going over the metrics today, which are going over the emotional index for ADA, the long versus short trades. Definitely want to watch that. Long versus short trade risk. Well, and institutional smart money, which called some stuff there. Support and resistance prices, dollar cost average entries, and exit points. So guys, let's just jump right into it. So if you guys didn't see the last video I did in here, actually, sorry, this was a post I sent out yesterday. If you guys did not exit DOT for 50%, make sure you guys watch that video update I did. I called an exit on this channel here. You guys are doing super well on DOT. Okay, the previous couple previous Cardano videos, I ended up coming out with this video. I said watch 270 and 50% Fibonacci retracement. The 50% Fibonacci retracement already got the move back down. That was a perfect move down right here. That was the call. It was 50% retracement right there. The other 270 call was right up here. I said, when we get up to this area, we're probably going to see a drop. We're going to look for bearish signs. That's exactly where we ended up getting, and we saw a move back down. So on the previous Cardano videos, I mentioned you guys want to watch this indicator right here because we were sitting down here Friday, and I was like, guys, when we push up to the top red section here, that's when we want to look to take some profit, 25 or 50%. Totally up to you guys at your discretion, but make sure you're looking to take profit. If you guys actually go back and you replay this and you look at this candle right here, this actually ended up pushing up just barely to touch this red bottom of the top zone here. So I saw that on my phone. Guys, I don't have alerts for this or anything. I literally just open up my chart like maybe 2 or 3 times a day. I saw that it touched the very close to the top here, and then it moved back down because it was obviously, does that make sense, guys? Like the candle wick is pushing a little bit higher, so it pushed up there, and then when it closed, it brought the metric down, okay? It's live versus a close. These are all closed bars, so this cannot repaint at all, but on a live, the lines can move up and a little bit down. So I saw it up at the top. I ended up exiting 25% at $2.71, and we ended up heading straight down after that. If that wasn't enough, guys, you actually got a little bit of grace here and got a second chance to look for an exit at the 270 if you didn't get that one over the weekend, and then we had hit the double top and started crashing here. So good job for everybody who had the trend exhaustion, the price versus the wall money flow. You guys were able to see these signs show up in the market, and if you guys are subscribed to the channel, you're able to see that. All right, now we entered in at a buy limit of 253. The second one was at 201, and so our break even is sitting right now at $2.27. We exited 50% at 246, so we did another 25% at 271. So there's still 25% going in this trade. If you were like, okay, that's awesome, but I want to get into this trade, I did just update. Listen carefully, guys. I did update the buy limits for ADA. So if you are not yet trading with us and you want to, please consider doing this. Go over here, go to get the membership. It's just $49 a month. Go to live trades at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. The new buy limits are coming out. Click right here, guys. That's all you need to do. Come over here to the Bitcoin. This will give you an idea of what it looks like. ADA looks the exact same, guys. The price is going to be in white, and what you're going to see this morning are going to be 4 yellow lines below the ADA price, below the Cardano price, the Ethereum, the Ripple, the Doge. Every single one of those trades you can take right now. Enter into those 4 buy limits. Once the first one gets hit, set your sell limit and you can follow along, because I'll make a decision at the end of this video what I want to do, but I think I might be exiting my position pretty soon and just setting up my new entry with you guys so you guys can all follow me on this next trade, literally starting at 8 a.m. today, and you guys can follow this, okay? So it's pretty exciting week. All right, let's go over the metrics here, and we'll take a look at what's going on with ADA. Very good news for us looking to go long. These are going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is in an hour and a half. Okay, the emotional index is pushing down into the anxious section here. And I do believe after we saw what happened yesterday, today we will see this move down in price, and this will probably push us down somewhere into the bottom anxious section. Guys, this is so good for everybody on this channel going long, okay? A lot of people are getting scared right now because they're seeing ADA go down and they're thinking it's going to go further. How do we know that? They're selling. There's red candles. They're shorting. They're like, this thing's going down. This thing's going down. And we're like, yes, please keep pumping it down because we are in long trades right now and we're ready for you guys to pump it down. So if you guys could take anything away from this, please set up the buy limits today for 88 because I will be getting in there with you guys and we'll all write it up together and then we'll take some exits. Okay, take a look at this. Long versus short trades. So we saw price structure actually increasing here. Guys, this is so cool. Watch this. Price structure increasing in the chart, but we saw a decrease in long trades. I've told you guys this so many times. When you see this, the price cannot keep going up. Price structure moving up right here, while long trades are moving out of the market. This does not have any positive buys entering into the market to sustain itself to keep going. It has to move back down because there's nothing pushing it up. It's literally just retail traders buying just a little bit more than other people selling, but it's showing that the overall long trades are heading out of the market, especially for the Bitfinex exchange. So when you guys see that divergence with this metric, this is a powerful sign that you're going to see a drop back down. Did we get the drop back down? This is why I love doing the metrics before they update. Yes, they held true. They did see a move back down. We did see a move back down in the price action. So, oh man, guys, I love this stuff. Okay, long versus short trades. This is sitting in the neutral section right now, but when this updates, I do believe this will push down to the bottom section here, and we will be possibly seeing a good long trade metric coming out today. Okay, so that's really good news. Now take a look at what happened, guys, over the weekend for Well and Institutional Smart Money. I told you guys this of watch the emotions of all the retail traders in the market. They're getting anxious. They're like, oh my gosh, ADA is going down. I'm going to sell because you guys know there was a ton of people who FOMO'd into this up here, and they're like, oh my gosh, we're going to the moon. They are still holding their positions, and if they did not take money out right here at the top, all of these people, guys, there's millions and millions of dollars that bought in right at the top. You guys follow me here. Millions of dollars bought at the top here. They saw it going down. They were very depressed. They're like, oh my gosh, we're going to lose it all. So a lot of them just sold here. Those that did end up holding up into this position were probably holding because they were praying. I don't mean to be rude by this, but they were really hoping for at least a break even. And then they saw it head down, and they saw it head down again. They're like, forget this. I'm just getting out, and they sell into this move down here. And that actually helps push it down further. You have to understand what past people are thinking about presently, and that will play into the price action. I do that. That's why I exit at these positions, and that's why we get very good positions on this channel for exits, because I understand how that works. Okay, taking a look at this though, anxiety was pushing into the market. But what do I keep telling you guys? Whenever you guys see anxiety pushed into the market, institutions and whales are buying this, guys. They bought at the bottom just like we bought at the bottom. They bought right down here. They rode it straight up. And if you guys are following this channel and you guys are doing everything I told you to do over the weekend, you should be out of this trade at least minimum 50 to 75%. There should only be 25% left in this trade. And even with that 25%, we're all still up at this moment from the break-even entry from that second order that got hit down here. We're still up 7.07%. Like, congratulations, guys. This is a guaranteed win on the charts. This will be the 34th win that we've taken 32 trades. This will be the 33rd win on this channel, and we haven't lost a trade yet. Okay, let's keep moving down here. Support resistance prices. What's going to happen? I definitely want to watch this morning when this updates, because that will give us a little bit better idea of what price structure looks like. But if we start moving down more, because I'm getting this question a lot, guys, it's $2. We really just need to watch out for $2 down here, because that's where the wick value low is. Now, I'll give you guys a little tip here. The new entry is not at $2. It's a little bit higher than that if you want to enter in with this morning's metrics at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Again, I know I've already said this, but if you've watched this far and you're like, wow, you guys have not lost a trade. I love what you're doing. It's so simple. Yes, it really is simple. Make sure you guys go this morning, set up the new limits wherever they're at. That's not where they're at, but I'm making examples here. There's 4 buy limits below the current price. Make sure you guys set those up and then follow that. Wait for the first buy limit to get hit, and then you guys can get into the trade, okay? Moving down here, guys, dollar cost average entries, if you took any of these, you're obviously making a ton of money right now. These are people who are holding for 5 to 10 years, and you guys are doing super well. All right, taking a look at the exit points here, I use this to watch for exits on long trades. So if you guys are in the long trades, you get triggered into that long trade that I was telling you guys about this morning, you then want to watch this to look for exits. What I am doing, guys, is make sure you have the price first of well money flow, the trend exhaustion, and the trend dashboard on your charts. You guys can find these over here on this page. They're in the description, but go to indicators. You can find it right here, the trend exhaustion. Here's the trend dashboard. Here's the price versus the well money flow. Get this. It's the bundle deal. It just will save you the most money out of everything. These indicators I am looking to raise the price of in the coming months. I am going to be looking to raise the trend exhaustion at the end of this month. So anybody who purchases the bundle pack, you guys are always going to have appreciating value in this purchase because these indicators will be going up to their original prices someday of $249. They're currently $98, okay? I'm going to be upping them because I know the value of them. So coming back over here, let's wrap this up. Looking at the trend exhaustion, guys, we have not pushed down into super low territories for this to see a springboard back up yet. That is why I do think we could still see ADA moving back down here a little bit further because we have not pushed down to the bottom red section yet. Alternatively, I am watching this to see if we do pump up back up here to the top red section. I'm making this official call right now. I will be exiting 25% of my trade that will officially be closing the ADA trade. Okay, let me say that again. The next time this pushes up into the top red section here, I'm exiting the next 25% if I can, I'll watch it on the charts for myself. I'm doing videos every day. We will either hit this week, we will either hit a move up here to the top red section or a move down here. So it's either we're going to be entering into our next long trade or we're going to be exiting, we're going to be taking this move out. Either way, we're going to be getting into more profit. This is so fun. Real quick, I want to show this to you guys before we leave. I'm looking at the well money flow. Takeoff price here, just look at this. This is heading very stagnant right now. We're kind of in this like triangle pattern right here where we're building momentum. So I am looking for somewhat of a fast move here to see if we start pumping up here, moving back down. I don't know. If I had to take a guess, guys, this much selling pressure is probably looking for a move down, a move back up, and we could be seeing this move back down a little bit further in the market. That's kind of my gut reaction here, but I'm gonna let it play out, and I'm gonna give you guys exactly what I'm gonna do. When we get up to the top red section, we're gonna exit right there. Now, since I only have, listen carefully here, guys, and I'm gonna end this video so you guys can follow me on this. You need to right now come over here to the front page, go to live trades and click this right there. And at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time this morning, make sure you guys update all of your buy limits, okay? I am also going to be updating all my buy limits and I'm going to be entering in with you guys. I only have 25% of the trade left. It's like, I think I have like $300 to $400 left. It's like nothing. Okay, there's like $300, $400 left. Once it gets up here, I'm going to get out and I'll just let it morph into the next trade. This is something new I'm teaching you guys, so listen here. I am going to be setting up, I'm going to be dedicate about $5,000 to this because we're looking at this account about $11,000. I'm going to dedicate about $5,000 to this and I'm going to be putting my buy limits in exactly where you guys are going to be putting your buy limits in this morning. So you can follow me on this channel, make money with me, and exit with me on the videos this week if you would like. It's a rare opportunity you're able to actually do this, so make sure you set that up. Okay, guys, that's the full update for you. This is the 33rd trade we have won on this channel, and I'll go over Ethereum after this video, but great job. God bless you guys so much. Make sure you guys have the indicators because I will be using these to call exits. And if I'm not on the channel, I will be showing you the setups you need to be watching for and you need to be taking these exits. Yeah, I'm gonna call it your trading homework, okay? Your homework is gonna be to follow these calls that I'm doing and watch over the weekend and exit, okay? We have a perfect win rate. I'm sure we'll lose one in the future, but we're doing very well. So make sure you guys get the indicators, get your subscription, and follow along here and turn the bell notification on because I am coming out with live calls on this channel. Again, God bless you guys so much. It's Monday, an amazing week ahead, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye, guys.